Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change playlist title on YouTube using your YouTube application in your mobile phones. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to YouTube application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in YouTube app, okay, you'll have to do is click the library on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in library, okay, scroll down and okay, here in playlist, okay, you can see some of my playlists here. And okay, scroll down and find the playlist you want to change the title. Okay guys, I choose the Facebook Messenger playlist. Okay, you'll have to do is click the playlist. And okay guys, here you can see the pencil icon. Okay, you'll have to do is click this to edit the playlist. So okay guys, here you can see the title. Okay guys, you'll have to do is rename the title. Okay guys, to save the title on your playlist, okay, you'll have to do is click the arrow on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, playlist edited. And okay guys, we have successfully changed the playlist title in your YouTube application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.